take long to get there.
All right, we'll see if we can find something interesting.
Yeah, the folks will like that.
That's right. Yeah, we'll give it a proper test, right?
Why not?
Why wouldn't we?
Exactly.
All right, let's do it.
You've got it. Clutch is all bolted back up together, so hopefully we got everything buttoned up correctly. Should be. Same way we've done her many times over. So, yeah. We're not headed off too far. We're gonna go check out the swampage. See what the water levels are like. Clutches seem to be working properly. Any day now, boys. So, boys are in for some treat. I know a lot of folks really enjoy the winter rides. Just lumpy through here. Real rutted, hard ones. For winning himself the two custom ATV, NOS ATV mud jackets, and Eric Hook. He got himself the Super ATV prize pack, boys. That's pretty cool. A little bit of swag, gift card. Yeah, it's right on. Pretty good. I'm a little surprised she still got green in her, boys. See that? I thought she'd be all browned off. Looking green, all right. Home sweet home. Yeah, it was good to, we sat around the shop there, we buttoned up the clutch, cleaned her up. Hopefully we got the leak all plugged up, which I think we do, and good time in NOS Boss. We thought we'd draw out those winners, and yeah, so congratulations again to Eric and Mud Life, so right on. And now, the R&D here, we need to make sure what we've done did something. So, assess the situation and assess the old situation.
Yeah.
Or dive right in, I don't know.
It's hard to say what's going on here though, eh?
Maybe a quick break and then dive right in, I think, maybe.
You're right, yeah.
Yeah. We'll take a real quick 5 and be right back, boys.
10 forward.
Alright, lighten up the bladder. So to speak, we are back.
We are back,
At the Jurassic Swamp. Ontario Everglades. Whatever you want to refer to it as, it is nuts.
That's the Everglades for us.
Yeah, it is. It's always a workout on the old machine. Well,
shall we hit it?
there's only one thing left to do, buddy. That's attack this son of a bitch.
That's right, let's open it up. Oh, you know
Oh,
what?
4!
Stupid
That would
bastard.
explain a little, eh?
You know what? Let's redo that. Let's go back and redo that one more time.
Yeah, no kidding.
That's what two-wheel drive will get you.
We shot across that like a bullet.
Back her up, please.
Oh, she wants to go back.
Take it down.
Oh yeah, repeat.
Check GPS. Oh, fuck, there's a bump there. Alright, we're gonna tackle it without power steering.
Yeah! Yeah, that's kind of how it's supposed to go.
That's a little better, right?
Out of the axles. Yeah, man.
Check DPS.
Ah, it is.
Again.
Shut her down for a second.
Reset that shit.
Let the old computer shake it out. I didn't expect it to take off like a rocket so much, and
I
it
hear you.
just
Lots of
said,
grip there.
we're going for a ride.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah! Just standing right up, that was awesome.
Fuck. Two-wheel. Two-wheel.
Yeah, I saw that.
It's an amateur move.
Well,
Gotta
I
stop
wonder.
doing
At least
that.
it
I had
didn't
a
come
lot
out of
faith.
gear, bud. At least it didn't come out of gear.
I had good faith in back-end traction on that one.
So maybe we should try to tee up this little hole and just boom, and then
Yeah.
come down the channel.
Yeah,
Hey,
we
boys?
We should line up a situation.
A little bit of a situation
Yeah,
there.
see,
Oh, big huge log laying across.
Ah,
Remember?
yeah.
Yeah, it was somewhere right here actually. So maybe not
Yeah, you're right, yeah.
the angle of attack.
All right, so, shall we try it?
Ooh, dirty. Where's that log?
How about right here? Is it better?
Oh, I think that's it right there.
Yeah, there's one right there, and there's one right here.
Oh, okay.
I wonder if this is better right here.
Took the left lane. Whoa.
Not so much better, no.
She's a doozy. You could just jump to the stars off that baby.
You know, it could be a good situation.
Might take a tie rod or two out at the same
Maybe.
time, but hey, eh?
You don't know.
Those look like the right spot to test out the, it's obviously going to run right from the bush here, yeah? Oh, no. think that's the angle of attack. Hard to say. Over the tree.
We'll go help our brother out here, come on. I'll just stand there.
Might have wallered her out just a little bit, eh, boys? Yeah, we did.
Hope you got her moving.
So we're gonna let this sit in the water here. See if our belt box is doing what it should. Let's just make sure we got the old camp clean for NOS boss here. I do like to get the best shot I can for you boys. Let's hit it. Ah, there's a little hole wallet there. That's awesome. That looked pretty kick-ass.
Dirty?
Yeah, a little.
A little bit. So let's talk more about this giveaway, buddy.
Yeah, really, eh, boys?
Yeah.
So, we got a pile of stuff to give away this time around.
Yeah, we do.
We got a pile of swag came in. We got lots of riding apparel from Demon Power Sports with a $50 gift certificate.
That's right.
Off any of their products. That's pretty cool.
We got some Lucky 7 swag showing up too.
Lucky 7
Good looking stuff.
Motorsports
We're gonna get the floorboards put on this machine. There's just not quite enough clearance with your 32s. If you're in the air and on the full throttle,
yeah,
you might have an issue, right? So
another cool thing is that Elka gift pack. That's pretty cool, man. 25% off any Elka purchase.
that's right.
That's killer. With a couple t-shirts and some decals and all that jazz too. A banner for your shop.
That's gonna be a hard one to give away, buddy.
Everybody wants the banner, man.
I wonder if they wanted us to give the banner away or if they intended for us to put it on the wall. I'm not sure.
I don't know. You know, maybe we're supposed to put it up in our shop.
Well, let's see.
I don't know. That's to be debated. But farm mudding rock lights, multicolored at that.
Farm mudding rock lights, multicolor next. We got the rock lights multicolor. We got some.
Man, we're spoiling the shit out of these viewers.
We're spoiling you boys. That's right.
We do appreciate it, boys, and this is our way of well, hell, man, just showing a little appreciation back to you guys.
That's right. It all started with a couple mud jackets and a kind of mushroom.
Yeah, she just snowballed and spiral. People said, hey, we want to help. We want to get back too. So, what more can you ask for?
All right, let's get out of this hellhole.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll head this direction.
Let's see if I got any water in there. Ah. Oh, actually, we want to go right through there.
Driving just fine.
cut trees down. Look, he goes for the pass, he does. 32s. Leading the way. Never been in here, so we don't really know what to incur.
This looks pretty dry and clean.
Damn you. Yeah.
Good shit.
Good shit.
All right. Yeah, there's a log here.
Yeah. Buddy, we're looking good.
Think you can let it back up, yeah.
Seems to be working good. We're not slipping anything yet.
We got ourselves a log right here, buddy.
Yeah. Good. Oh yeah.
I love this place, man.
So do I, buddy.
This is,
Isn't it?
oh yeah, this is just a heaven.
It really is, boys.
Likes to get into it. For anybody that likes to have a good time,
This is the place.
this is the place to be.
Yeah, it is. Ah, look here, we opened it up nicely there.
We did.
I was water wheeling the shit all down through there, bud.
That was kick-ass.
Just throwing it.
We'll have to do a small, contained, invite-only group ride on this one of these days to get some good footage.
I think so. You know, as long as your bikes are capable and ready for it, then we're more than welcome to get you out here and rip with us, man.
That's right, yeah.
All about it.
Try to get some drone
Yeah.
footage happening for the situation.
Quick mention, for those of you who are wondering why my halos are out, well, it's not a farm mudding issue. I got some stuff up in there, and then rock or something squashed my little regulator, voltage regulator, whatever the hell it is. So just a wire disconnect. So I mean, we're pressed for time to get out here before dark, so we just disconnected the other even the load. But yeah, no, actually those fire mud halos, boys.
I've had luck, man. I've ripped the rock lights right off the machine with my tires
Yeah.
and a couple tie straps. They didn't-
Shit's gonna happen. It just happens.
gonna
You know, when
happen, no
you're running them
issues.
like this. You know, I had Skank go up, fling up, pull down the wires. I probably should have used a few more zip ties, but it is what it is, man. Awesome product. Look at that, just killer, man. Buddy, that's just, you know,
Yeah, yeah.
you're damn near speechless.
Oh yeah, I know. Look at it.
Take it in.